Launching a marketing campaign for your brand storytelling can be daunting. However, it is a powerful strategy to connect with your ideal customer or client. In this video, you'll learn how to launch a marketing campaign for your brand storytelling in 7 easy steps. Have you ever wanted to share your brand story? Brand storytelling will help you communicate with your target audience, but only if you know how to use it effectively. There are many ways to share your story. We've heard that you should be courageous and optimistic. Do you believe that's all to it? Of course not. Your brand story must be strategic and purposeful to win the hearts of your fans. Let's take a moment to understand why brand storytelling is important. A brand story will grab the attention of your audience. Moreover, dynamic storytelling can capture their hearts when it resonates with their desires. Research shows that while most successful companies, such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, or even Facebook, are excellent storytellers when it comes to their brand or business, there is no one equal to Nike in this regard. Nike is known for consistently telling compelling brand stories, engaging consumers, and encouraging them to participate in the company's success. Let's focus on these 7 simple steps. Step 1. Identify and define your goals. Your goals should be clear. Having a target with no definite path is likened to swimming without knowing how to swim. You'll need to figure out what you want to accomplish by sharing your story. Addressing these questions will give you some direction. Would you like to raise brand awareness? Do you have a product or service that you'd like to promote? Are you attempting to retain customers? Are you looking for eligible leads? Do you want to boost your revenue? Once you have identified your goal, it's time to move to the next step. Step 2. Establish your budget. Regulate your campaign budget with your marketing and business goals. This will assist you in determining how much to invest in your campaigns. Look at your sales and calculate the cost to attract a customer. Budgeting will be easier if you understand the customer lifetime value. Step 3. Identify your target audience. Make it a point to reach out to the right people. If you want to generate more leads, your brand story should evoke consumers' emotions that make them want to learn more about your business. You may want to consider unique segments when targeting your audience, such as age, income, gender, place, and so on. Focus on accomplishing your goal. That is the reason why you are creating this campaign. Step 4. Create your content. Your content should provide consumers with the value they need. There is a lot of content on the internet, but continuity, precision, and the right message are lacking for some people. Some content can just be a bunch of static, and you will see it all over your computer while you browse for important data. So, what exactly do you do? Do you take the time to read it, or ignore such irrelevant content? Who has time to waste reading ineffective content, or watching counterproductive videos? Step 5. Select your channels of distribution. You can tell the story of your brand in several ways. Your target audience and budget restrictions will dictate your strategy. Blogging, using the internet to drive traffic, and newsletters are only a few examples of online marketing. You can also advertise on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media sites. To ensure the efficacy of your brand's marketing campaign, use the most successful strategies. Step 6. Launch and track your campaign. Before you launch your campaign, make sure you know where your target audience spends most of their time. For example, does your ideal audience mostly hang out on social media? This will assist you in determining the platform of your choice. It will also help you control and track the outcomes of your campaign for the best results. Step 7. Analyze your results. At this stage, you'll need to determine whether you've met your goal, how well your campaign is doing, and what measures you need to take to boost your campaign for optimal results. These simple steps will assist you in sharing your compelling brand story and attracting your target market.